Hi, this is James Croft, and today we're going to be having a look at how we can grade students using the quiz tool in Connect. Now, a lot of quizzes are set up to be auto-marking, but if you're using questions that require manual marking, we're going to go through the process of how to do that. Let's have a look. We're already in the quiz tool, and you can see that there's one quiz currently in this unit. Remember that clicking on the quiz title will open up the edit page, which isn't what I want to do this time. Instead, I'm going to click on the context menu next to the quiz title and then click on Grade. Here, you can see the Grade quiz page. There are three views available: Users, Attempts, and Questions. For this tutorial, let's stick to the Users view. The Users view lists all users who have completed an attempt at this quiz. You can see their name and details of their attempts. By using the context menu, you can change which students are displayed on this page. You can use the search field to find a specific student by name. Click the icon to run the search. There is a clear search link to return to the full list. Notice on the right-hand side it shows you the grade and that the result has been published, which means the student will be able to see the result. Clicking on the attempt underneath each student will bring up details of that student's attempt. On this page, you can see which attempt is being viewed, the student's name, details of the quiz attempt, the automatic final score, the student's preview of their result, if the attempt has been graded, and the attempt feedback. As I scroll down, each question is listed, with the answer that the student gave, a red indicating an incorrect answer, a green tick a correct answer, and the blue arrow shows what the system has as the correct answer. Also underneath each question is the time it was saved and the score that was given for that question. It is possible as an instructor to change the score just by clicking and typing inside the text box. You could do this if the answer stored in the system was incorrect, or you may have verbally questioned a student earlier after a failed second attempt. Each question has a place where feedback can be entered. If you are manually changing a score, you should use the feedback to record the reasoning why the score was changed. You would also use the score and feedback areas if you are marking long answer questions that are not self-marked by the system. To keep the changes that have been made, use the Save button, which will recalculate the final score. Or, I can use the Auto Grade button before saving to see what the result will be. Use the Save and Close or Cancel to return to the grade quiz page. Notice that the score for the student we were viewing has been updated. You can also use the quiz's context menu to access statistics, reports, a preview, and of course, the Edit Quiz menu. Statistics can be particularly useful if you are moderating questions or want to see any trends in how your students are answering particular questions. If your quiz is set up to only have self-marked questions, you will use what you've learned in this tutorial to check on student attempts and may only need to edit a grade or score if you have teacher-marked questions in the quiz. Don't forget that to grade a quiz, instead of clicking the quiz title, use the context menu and select Grade. Once there, you can filter your student list, view, change, and grade quiz attempts.